Clint Walker has a dog with him.
I thought that was Chris Haslam at first.
Wow.
You're a hater. These are sick. I've never
What's
been
up,
more
you guys?
excited.
We're here today for Fetty's most anticipated video of all time. Tony Hawk box borders. So we're here to open a box of borders.
And there's a collectible Tony Hawk inside, and we could have all four.
Let's just look at this box right here. So right here it says Tony Hawk box borders. Is this Tony Hawk right here?
Yeah, that's Tony Hawk.
Wow. You can't really tell because they're in box form.
No, he has his helmet, he's got his birdhouse stuff on.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you're right. And then it has a few pictures of some obstacles, and this little guy is shredding right here. And it looks like they have a box borders phone stand.
It comes with it, I think.
And this is Riley Hawk, and there's a secret Tony Hawk inside, and we can collect all four. So it includes 2 box borders, 1 camera holder,
and 4 ramps.
Wow. Wow, you get your money's worth for these.
I think it was only like $7.
Wow.
And you get 2 of them.
All right, well, shall we open it up?
Yeah, I got Lizzie because she looks like Zoe from Fortnite. That's the only reason why I got this one.
I believe these are the ramps. And right here.
Wow!
This is my secret exclusive one.
Looks like Jaws. More than Tony Hawk.
That's sick. Dude, they feel so cool. It's like, you know those little bean toys? You remember those beans that
those
you would
are
throw
back.
and they would always roll?
Yeah. Those are back.
They're back? That's like my childhood right there. So now we have like an insane amount of these little guys. Let's see what happens here. He just did you just see he just did the sickest frontside power slide right there? Backside, you! Oh, I put a little more force in the left hand. Oh. Look at Lizzie. Oh,
they all have their own
names are on the side. So this one is called Totally Tony.
Wow, they all have their own like boards too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's amazing.
Yo, look at my Tony Hawk.
Oh, that's
what the heck? Wait, what is that one called?
Tony McSqueeb? I can't. Tell me I'm wrong.
Tony McSqueeb. All right, let's open the next one.
Got Cater here.
I have Clint Walker.
All these people.
Carlos, these things are sick. He just gives me a really awkward thumbs up and walks away. Dude, we're gonna have a freaking army of them. This is a sticker.
No.
No, it's not.
What, Tony?
Oh, Tuxedo Tony!
No, we only need one more.
Dude.
All of them.
Yeah, wait, that's 3 out
That's
of 4.
3 out of the 4.
3 out of the 4 right now.
Oh my gosh. He has a heart on his back.
Sick.
And he also has his dog. Fetty, I'm so nervous. Could we get all 4? Is it the luck of the gab?
All right, so here's Cater.
Dude, look at his mohawk.
He's got a sick
That's
mohawk.
incredible.
All right, moment of truth. Oh, I think we did.
Did we do it?
We got all 4.
We did it! Yes!
This one is Tony Hawk.
Dude, there's no freaking way that looks like Tony Hawk right there. Yeah. There's no way that we literally just did that first try. Like, let's align our little army of them.
This is mine.
We'll have all the Tonys in the front and all the other ones in the back. That's literally the most awesome thing I've ever seen.
If you want the skull one, huh, Dan?
All right, let's see how this works out here. I just dropped something that is most likely important. So, number 1 is fold center cut to meet at the dotted line. Oh, I see. Daniel, don't like your attitude right now. And then place 1 long strip of tape. Nigel! Hook us up with some tape, my brother. Never mind, we got some. We good.
Place tape where?
On the back. Probably not healthy to put my mouth on this. I'm very glad that these scissors work.
It's all gravy.
I love scissors that work. Doug, really?
What have you done?
Well, if these work...
What have you done?
If scissors work
Wait, is this
as
the
intended...
phone stand? I don't think this is how it's supposed to work. The bloody hit. Oh! Am I just an idiot?
This goes in here.
I see. Oh, and then it goes in this way.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh.
Daniel, how do we film this right?
Whoa! She landed it.
Oh! Oh!
Wait, we have a half pipe.
Oh, what?
Where's the half pipe?
I've never seen Fetty this excited.
Yeah.
I'm actually really excited for him. Now we got a wall ride, Aussie Dan. Oh! He backflipped!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117,
We gotta sweep, bro. There's too many rocks.
Did you see that?
Hold up, there's too many rocks, Daniel. There's way too many rocks. You gotta dust off the skate area. We can't be having our box borders hit. Oh! Wait, buddy, he did a backflip. Because I have the wall ride. Check this out. Oh! Oh!
Wow. Whoa! That was like a McTwist.
2 at a time battle royale. Who will win? They both died. Oh my gosh, this is ginormous. This is like,
It's like to scale.
this is literally up to scale. We'll send. Oh, he dropped in. Oh, he just ate it.
Oh. Dang.
What?
Just that air.
Oh!
Hit a crack. There's a crack. All of them.
Dude, they're actually different sizes. Do you
Yeah,
see that?
yeah, I
They're
just
like
noticed
height is up to scale.
They're not different sizes. Tony's just the tallest.
Oh, are we ready?
I'm out of here. I left.
Yes, dude, that was the best thing ever.
So on the bigger one.
Face firecracker. Oh, she almost just ollied it. Let's just ollie right here.
Oh, she just front flipped the dang thing.
Front cartwheel flips. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
That was sick. Let's see how high we can get him on the wall. Oh, it's about to happen. Okay, watch. You can just. Oh no.
No, Lizzie, no. Oh no! Wait. We'll start off easy. Who will land it?
Tony.
Oh!
No.
Aussie's like, I don't know how to film this.
Where are they?
Little homie could just chill in here. Yeah, Aussie. Yeah! Oh, you hit a crack. Oh! Ow!
And he landed it.
Oh, he landed it! Oh! Did you see that? Landed it, rolled off the edge, flipped, and landed it again. Look. This dude.
Because of the dog. that's
Wait,
why.
what if you stack them all on top of each other like this? Great Scott. Hitting the giant wall is the equivalent of like a 100-foot vert. He's so nervous right now. It's unbelievable. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. That was so well done. Hey, did you see how much he rolled? Yeah! Oh! He's alive!
Are you ready, Dan? Yeah.
Yeah! Oh! Did you hear it? Did you hear that? Get it, Betty. Right here. Ow! It hit my finger. Wow! On the rough part too. Woo! We got your back. Dang it.
Oh! He hit a backflip.
Woo! Yeah, boy!
Alright, roll in.
Fetty, I have the next frontier. Wait. Just keep full sending. First try, pretty much, dude. Oh my gosh, Tuxedo Tony is a freaking boss.
Tuxedo Tony!
Yes, sir.
Oh my god, it's Tuxedo Tony. Whoa!
Yeah. All right, we're gonna put the ramp at the bottom of the hubba and they're gonna go hesh off the hubba. All right, Daniel, you ready for this?
We're starting with Tuxedo Tony first.
No! No!
Oh!
Oh, he's fast! Come on, Lizzie.
We got this.
This build is collecting
I
bodies.
feel like we're missing one.
Can they hit the biggest ramp in the Braille House? The Braille House is too gnarly for these poor box boarders. All right, Fetty, what's next?
Handrail.
Handrail?
To flat.
No. Wait, Aussie, listen to this. Isn't that nice?
I guess.
Let's get it! Full send! Yes! I don't know if it's translating, but these things are amazing. Maybe we'll just have to play everything in slow-mo.
Feels like
I
half.
helped.
It doesn't know what it's.
The barrel drop is the last.
The Braille drop is definitely a blast. We should do like down the bank and see how far we can make them go. Yeah! Lizzie got to the bottom, slammed so hard, got back up and kept rolling.
Tony.
Tuxedo Tony just narrowly got edged out for first place.
By totally Tony.
Tony Hawk has beat Tony Hawk. That was the sickest thing ever. Whoa!
Tuxedo! Oh no. This little lip, they clip on it.
They do. It's like on a regular skateboard, every rock you hit will kill you. With these guys, every particle of dust you hit will kill them.
True.
Perfectly up to scale. Every single one of these stuck on the rafters. All right, Fetty, well, should we take it to the Braille drop?
Of course, I got it set up.
OG Tony Hawk is going first.
Well,
First try! Ah!
oh no.
Daniel, I have all the Tonys. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Riley Hawk lost his arms.
Yo, the graphics on the bottom are actually worn down like a real skateboard. If anything, like the fold at the top might have come off a little bit, but that's not a big deal. I mean, we did just launch them down a freaking 9-foot drop. So, I mean, the fact that they're going strong still is impressive.
Tuxedo Tony is good.
Riley Hawk needs some emergency surgery. Just standard Tony Hawk is fine though.
And
they held up pretty well.
We lost Clint Walker.
We'll find him. Well, we got word of a new skate toy out, and if we hear something like that, we're gonna investigate. And we're gonna let our inner children come out and definitely enjoy this. So check out the videos to our left for a bunch of other playlists that you guys will enjoy on the Braille channel. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. We'll see you tomorrow.